Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to insert a Pine script into TradingView in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription at discounted price, now is the time for you to do it. You can just use the link that is given in the description. This way you will be landed here on this page where you can simply just take a look at the subscriptions of TradingView and you can avail up to 80% off with their higher premium subscription model. You are also going to get 1 month additional. Only 2 days left. So if you are interested in this deal, make sure that you hurry up. So in order to insert a pine chart in your TradingView account, you first of all need to come here on tradingview.com. Then log into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Now, whichever chart you have opened in front of you, you need to simply click on the option of Pine Editor here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now over here you will see the list of the scripts that you can basically create over here. So you need to provide your script here in this section, then give your script a name and save it over here. Then once you do this, you can simply click on the option of add to cart and the script is going to be updated and the script is going to come over here. As you can see, it is showing me that it is my script and it is now showing the chart just like so. Now, if you want to take a look at all of the scripts that you have created, you can click on the option of indicators here on the top. Over here, go to the My Scripts section. Here you can see the list of all of the scripts that you have created. You can click on any one of these, then you can apply them on your chart and do your analysis. From here too, you can access the Create Script option. If you want to increase this tab, simply click on the three dots on the top right hand corner, then choose the option of New tab. So this way you will see a broader view of this particular script. So this way you will be able to insert a Pine script to TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials as well. Thanks for watching.